The leaves are falling and temperatures are dropping. It's the season of warm sweaters and hot drinks. And if you live in a van like me, it's time to fire up that diesel heater. In my opinion, this is the best way to stay cozy all winter. The heat is hot and it's comfortably dry. But there is one major flaw with these heaters. They aren't programmable like a house thermostat. The heater in a house can be set to turn on and off at specific times, and you can set your desired temperature. Now these diesel heaters have a temperature setting, but once that temperature is reached, they don't turn off. They just keep running until you press the off button. So you have to choose between running your heater all night or waking up cold. Until now, this aftermarket remote is programmable, just like the one in a house. You can program a schedule and temperature so that the heater actually turns off and can maintain a low temperature while you're sleeping, then turn on and warm it up cozy when it's time to wake up. It's the perfect way to cozy up in your van this winter. I love the cozy warmth that my diesel heater creates. And now that I can program it, it's just about perfect. This new remote easily keeps my van at 70 degrees, even when it's 40 degrees outside. And when it's time for bed, it automatically shuts off for the evening. I do love sweater season, but when I'm settling in for the evening, I want to get comfortable. And if you have a diesel heater, you definitely need a programmable remote like this. Click the link in the description and pick one up for yourself. I promise you're gonna love it.